Chevy Trax Infotainment systems, including MyLink or Infotainment 3 platforms, can experience common glitches like Bluetooth connectivity drops or screen freezing. Soft reset. Hold the power button on the screen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. This reboots to clear temporary glitches. Hard reset. Force a system restart by disconnecting the battery or using steering wheel controls. This clears RAM without erasing your data. Factory reset wipes all data and restores original settings. Access through Settings, System Factory Reset. May need a PIN for confirmation. For Bluetooth issues, forget and repair your devices or perform a soft reset. This typically resolves connectivity problems. Let's explore troubleshooting methods and future developments for the Chevy Trax Infotainment system. For troubleshooting, use soft or hard resets to fix minor issues like connectivity drops. A factory reset addresses major problems but erases all your settings. User forums provide community-driven solutions. Remember that frequent resets may shorten the touchscreen lifespan due to electrical stress. Looking ahead, newer models feature AI assistance for voice-activated diagnostics and seamless over-the-air updates. Future trends include enhanced cybersecurity through biometric authentication and 5G-enabled infotainment systems.